Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change cpanel login password in GoDaddy. Once logged into web hosting account in GoDaddy, we need to click the product tab from this menu. This is the GoDaddy account's products page where all the products like website domain, hosting account or email account purchased will be located. We need to click Manage button under Web Hosting section. And now we are in cpanel admin page. You can see here in this page we have the cpanel password. To change the password we need to click this change link here. And in this page we can either generate password using these options or we can enter password ourselves following this password parameters and click change password. It's good practice to change password once in 15 days for security and safety purpose. The cpanel account password has been changed. Thanks for watching this video. If you found the video interesting and helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.